Hey guys, it's Shelby here at Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're going to check out this awesome Brinkley model I-275. So let's go check out the exterior before we hop inside. Starting here on the front cap, we have this awesome LED rail lighting, and then you have your Brinkley logo on this laminated windshield. And then over here you have your two 30-gallon tanks with your electric tongue jack, and it's also got lights to control LEDs so you can see at night. And then you also have your battery box. Coming to your camping sites pass-through storage, you have your exterior shower hookup with hot and cold water. And then you also have your 3 power switches. You have your 12-volt power switch, your solar switch, and your storage mode disconnect. And then something really cool about this Brinkley, you have your anti-skid flooring, which makes it easy for your cargo to when you travel. Continuing on this side, you have this huge awning that covers most of the camper. And then you also have your LED lighting that lights up your campground at night. And then you also have your frameless windows, which is super cool look. And now let's go check off the off-door side. Here on your off-storage side, you have your pass-through storage on the other side. And then you also have all your water hookups. So this down here controls your city water with your 65-foot retractable hose. And then you come up here to your Nautilus system, which controls the main of your water tanks and everything like that. And then you come up, you have your electronic gate valves that control black and gray water. Coming to your off-door side, you have your hose storage, and then you also have your black and gray water hookups. And then you also have your 50-amp hookup. Now let's go check out the inside. Okay, when you first come into your camper, this is where all your main controls are gonna be. You have your max air fan control. You have your main control panel, which controls all your lights, your tank heater, all that good stuff for your heated underbelly during the winter, so that makes a perfect add-on. And then you also have your Bluetooth stereo sound system control. So coming into your dining/kitchen area, you have plenty of counter space, which is super nice. And then you also have this extendable dinette, which makes a good desk or eating area with plenty of cabinet space under. And then coming over here, you have your farmhouse sink with gold accents, which gives it a nice modern look. And then this also makes a dish drying rack or extra counter space if you need it. And then moving on, you have your 3-burner stove with all these drawers and nice cabinets for all your cereal boxes or whatever you're needing. And then the cool thing about this, a little bit of Brinkley DNA. You pull this out, this has your trash can in it with a place for your trash bags and also your paper towel holders or aluminum, whatever you need. And then opening this up, this can make a nice pantry space if you need it as well. And then it also, one of my favorite features, it has an outlet in here so you can put your coffee maker or coffee station, some cool things like that. And then over here to your 12-volt refrigerator. It's pretty cool. You just push to open this. It's got your double door open fridge, and then you pull this out and this is your freezer. Moving on into your living area, you have your theater seating with 2 cup holders, and it also has a storage space for your controllers, chargers, whatever you need. And then over here you have this awesome tri-fold sofa, which also makes a good love seat as well for some extra seating. And then moving across from here for entertainment purposes, you have your awesome projector. Coming towards the front of the camper, you have your bathroom. It's got an awesome walk-in shower with a ton of shelf space for your toiletries. And it's also got a really nice shower head with a wand. So if you have pets, that makes it really easy. And then stepping on out, you have a ton of cabinet space in here for your towels or anything like that. And then you also have your sink, more cabinet space. And then over here you have your porcelain foot flush toilet. Coming on back to the bedroom, you have this awesome king size bed. And something super nice about this small Brinkley is you have tons of storage and space. You have a hanging closet, and then also in these closets you have your water heater controls. And then moving on, you have your huge nightstands, and if you're anything like me and get really thirsty tonight, they're perfect for all them water bottles to pile up. But it's also got some extra storage under here, which is super nice as well. And then another cool feature about this is when you lift up the bed, it actually is a walk-in closet. You can actually step down in it, and it's got 2 shelves, comes with a hamper and all that good stuff. Okay guys, thanks for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out this Brinkley Model I-275. If you want this Brinkley or you want to look at some other options, don't forget to call us, come see us in person, or shoot us an email, whatever works best for you. And we are family owned and operated. If you don't want the headache or the hassle, don't go to them big corporate guys, come here. All right guys, if you want to see more like this, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerted for all of our new deals going on.